Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I even begin this video, I just want to take a moment to thank all of you for showing love and support on the few videos that I've uploaded. It's very heartwarming to see so much support and love coming. And honestly, I just love sharing the small creative moments from my life. It's such a joy to have all of you here. आज की वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई पंच नीडलिंग. येस, सो आई एम अ बिट ऑफ अ हॉबीस्ट. मुझे नई चीज़ें ट्राई करना बहुत पसंद है और कुछ टाइम से इंस्टाग्राम पे और ऑल ओवर माई फीड आई हैव बीन सीइंग ऑल दीज ब्यूटिफुल टेक्सचर्ड एम्ब्रॉयडरी पीसेस एवरीवेयर. रग वर्कशॉप वाली बहुत एड्स आ रही थी मुझे. सो आई वाज लाइक येस, दिस इज़ माई नेक्स्ट हाइपर फिक्सेशन. I have to try it. So naturally, I got a needling kit, punch needling kit, and chotu motu saman, and I'll be trying this hobby here. Let's see. First of all, for punch needling, you need a punch needling set. Of course, this again I got from Itsy Bitsy. I have not opened it yet, so let's see. Let's open it together. There is this one punch needle and then two more needles, I assume. And secondly, you need a hoop. I don't have a cloth, do I? Okay, we'll see. You need a hoop. I got two actually. This one is smaller. Another one is like really big. I thought पहले मैं इससे शुरू करूँगी and then I'll get to the bigger one. And finally, and a lot of yarn. So a lot of different colors. As of now, I have zero idea कि मुझे बनाना क्या है. I have seen a lot of mug rugs, ऐसे छोटू, heart shaped, bread shaped, froggy shaped, all of that. So let's see how hard it gets. So I watched a few tutorials on how to begin with punch needling. Let's try. इसको देखते हैं. Yeah. ऐसे ना मुझे नीडल वगैरह से डर लगने लग जाता है. इट्स लाइक रियली शार्प. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू कैन सी. ओके, सो इसके साथ मुझे दो और मिले बट आई डोंट थिंक आई विल नीड दैट. Oh, I think it's for the different thread sizes. The first thing that we have to do is put this thing inside the it's not passing through. ऐसे करना था ना. 1 second. Turns out I did it wrong. So you just have to put the yarn from here all the way to the back.
So sharp. I'm so scared of sharp things,
Yes, it's here. I have to pass the yarn through it. So first step is done. I have successfully passed the yarn through it. Up I need to punch it on something. Oh no. I don't know if you can see this. It just came off, all of it. तो हो ये रहा है कि every time I'm pulling the needle back, वो पूरा loop undone हो जा रहा है and it's all coming off. So I need to see a few more tutorials to see कि how do you is there an angle that you put. So I was able to understand कि when you're punching the needle, the sharp and pointy angle always faces forward in the direction of your design. So I was able to practice a couple of lines and all. I thought maybe I'll get into the designing bit and I'll understand the process better. I was able to find a few inspiration on Pinterest. So this is the one that I think I will be going ahead with. I really like Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh. So I thought why not create a version of Starry Night as my mug rug. तो मैंने अपना rough version of Starry Night बना लिया है around which I'll be tracing the lines. I'm really excited for this one. Let's see how it turns out. I have the hoop and the cloth and I was able to trace it and I will be going ahead with a royal blue color in the beginning. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. कहीं पे it's getting really tight to punch it through and I'm really scared क्योंकि मेरी उंगली नीचे से है and I have punched it a couple of times. It's very scary. So I have been able to trace it a bit. मुझे आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा हो गया बस ये लाइन्स करने में. So at this point I'm really reconsidering my decisions. Progress so far मुझे इतना सा करने में 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा लग गया है. It's really time taking, and you know, this is really challenging me to be patient. Even my fingers have started paining because of pulling the thread so often, and I poked myself also. Maybe itna sa karne ke baad I can just wrap it up for the day and I'll start with a new color tomorrow. So today is day 2 of trying punch needling, और कल रात को मैं थोड़ा और ज़्यादा बैठ गई थी, आधा घंटा. I was able to do the yellow portion a bit. I started doing the sky, लेकिन मुझे एक idea आया. I mean, I was going through Pinterest and I was looking at all the pictures and I realized इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा blue हो रहा है and it's not really dramatizing the sky. तो अभी मैंने सोचा है maybe I will use white and blue combined for creating the similar effect that's on the picture. Let's try that today. I hope that I'll complete the sky today. Let's see. I'll also keep a timer to see कि मुझे कितना टाइम लगता है. इतनी बार यार्न बदलने में इसकी हालत तो ख़राब हो गई है. आई डोंट नो ये कितना और चलेगा, और इफ़ आई कैन गेट एन ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर दिस दैट्स ऑल्सो अ थिंग. ओके, progress update. Roughly आधा घंटा हो गया and I was able to do this much. The sky I was able to start with. मेरे हाथों में बहुत दर्द हो गया है और I think I'll take a quick break because this is really terrible. We'll take a quick break and grab something to eat and then I'll do this. Little update on the progress. It's turning out super nice. मैंने इतना अच्छा आएगा ये इमेजिन नहीं किया था. It's just my first time trying this. ऊपर वाला is turning like it looks more smooth and finished. I'm so proud. I think I'm really getting better at this. But yeah, this is my starry night as of now. आज के दिन का हो गया है. I will continue on this tomorrow maybe. Day 3 and this is the progress so far. I think it's turning out really nice. I was thinking of keeping this textured sides as the front bit, but नीचे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही messy है, so this will be my front side. I think this looks much better. So after spending 2 hours on the project today, this is the final look. I think it has turned out really nice. I even cleaned this up. जो ये वाला portion था मैंने इसको redo कर दिया because it was really looking odd. So yeah. Even though the back side has turned out really nice, पूरा ऐसे rug वाला texture है. I think I will be keeping this one as the front side. तो अभी इसको we just have to take it off the hoop and I'll paste the back side. I would have loved this on my tote bag, man. This looks really nice. So this is the final look. I think it has turned out really pretty. I mean, I love it. I mean, it has added so much more personality to my desk. So few takeaways that I've had with the entire process of learning. you keep the cloth really tight on the hoop. Second, it's always perpendicular and the needle always faces forward. Third, there should be no pressure on the remaining yarn whatsoever. So can you learn punch needling in a day? Yes. I mean, the process for me, the starting few hours were really frustrating क्योंकि समझ नहीं आ रहा था process क्या है. I kept putting it and it kept coming off and I poked myself a couple of times. So this punch needling kit, including the yarns and the hoops, everything is from Itsy Bitsy. So if you liked what I created and if you would want to see more of these, or if you would want to share your experience with punch needling, please let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.